Itching is a common symptom. Women itch every day. The good news about that is that you don't have to stay with it. You don't have to let it take you out of the game. So what we say is if you have an itch, Vagisil, we have a fix. Vagisil has creams that can take care of your itch. We have sensitive for extra sensitive skin. We have a maximum strength and we have a regular strength. You apply a fingertip of cream and you just apply it to where you itch. Vagisil wipes that I call on the go, they're individual. You apply it to the area, you wipe where the itch is, and you discard it, and you're good to go. There is anti-itch medicine in this wipe that'll help relieve your itch. It could just simply be from you having your period. It could be from you exercising. But there's other things, there's other factors that can concern you that you would need to speak to a doctor. So with regards to maybe itching and discharge, that is a time when it's time to speak to your healthcare professional. We have had some of the most interesting calls when they call in about itching. So I understand what it feels like to want that relief and want that relief fast. And that's why asking Tawana will help you get that relief that you need immediately.